Good day students, welcome to another video on maths from the chapter Lines and Angles, and today we take a theorem, we will prove a theorem. What does the theorem say? It states that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You have already used this sum of the angles, you know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Today we will prove it. What will we prove? That the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. For that we have a triangle ABC. Now I just put here 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. So for theorem we first write given. What is given? A triangle ABC. This is given to us. What we need to prove? To prove sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So what we have to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. To prove this, we do a simple construction. What do? We draw a line parallel to this base BC through this point A. Suppose this point is X, this point is Y. So construction. What is the construction? We draw a line XY parallel to BC through A. Okay, XY is a line parallel to BC passing through this point A. Now see the proof. Now you see here, okay, I name this, suppose this is 4, this angle is 5. Now you see here, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus 1 plus 5, this angle is 180 degree. Can we write it 180 degree? Yes. 180, but we need to write the reason. Why is it 180? This is a straight angle. So write down the reason, straight angle. And put this equation number 1. Okay, now we consider XAY line XAY parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. This is a line XAY parallel to BC and this one AB is the transversal. So can we write angle 4 is equal to angle 2? Can we write it? Yes, we can write angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Why? What is the reason? Why is angle 4 equal to angle 2? They are alternate angles. So we write down the reason, alternate angles. Put this equation number 2. Similarly, again, XAY parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. Now again this and XY parallel to BC, AC is the transversal. So again angle 5 and angle 3, they are alternate angles. And since lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. You know this. So since these two lines are parallel, we can write angle 5 is equal to angle 3. The same reason, alternate angles. Suppose equation 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we have 3 equations. So from 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and equation 3. Now what can we write? Angle 4. Instead of angle 4 we can write angle 2. Yes. So here instead of 4, angle 2 plus angle 1 as it is plus angle 5. What is 5? 5 is equal to 3. Isn't it? This angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So here in place of 5 we can write 3 is equal to 180 degree. Just rearrange, or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Just on rearranging. And this is what we had to prove. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So we have proved it. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So proved. So okay students, hope you understood this proof. Thank you for today.